Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Well, kaya nga may programang ganito kasi ang trabaho natin mag-analisa, evaluate, and validate facts. Are we talking about facts? We're talking about history. Pinag-uusapan natin kasaysayan dito eh. Ngayon, ang kasaysayan, isa lang naman ang libro. Eh, pag hindi mo tinanggap kung ano nakasulat doon, is that a problem with you? You, the yellows? Kaya itong at this point ito, inuulit ako dito. Just because you can't remember doesn't mean that you have a tendency to write a new one. They can't because there's nothing to remember as far as their belief and their experience are concerned. There's nothing. Do we need to indoctrinate them? Indoctrination, mass indoctrination, kinakailangan? I mean, we do respect for those who believe. With due respect for those who became victims, you can't impose the will of what's written if it doesn't conform to the belief that you hold dearly based on your experience, based on your judgment, based on what you see, based on what you feel. You can only read it. You can only, you can only acquire whatever's been written. Do you experience it? Wala ho pagkakaiba sa perception. Perception is everything. Sabi nga ho ng iba. What you see, what you hear, it forms a perception. Now, I'll be challenged, did you experience it? Nakamtan mo ba yung resulta? Naranasan mo ba? Depende kung saan ka ba. Ikaw ba'y biktima at hindi. And we're not saying kung hindi ka biktima, wala kaming pakialam. No, it's just simply saying, siguro sa mahabang panahon, malalaman ho natin na wag na ho natin madiliin.